Good morning, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please smash the like button, please smash the subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my good old Gravity Master, absolute beast. One of my favourite beaters now. Beautiful aviation watch from Casio. I've wanted to get this, I've wanted to get this series on my channel for a while. I've had this, sub-series or series, whatever you want to call it. I've had this series of Casio Gshock before. I've had it in black, green and black, red, like negative, okay? But when I saw this reference the other day, I couldn't believe how gorgeous it looked. And to my knowledge, there is no one, this particular colour combination, this particular reference is not actually on YouTube. So I think this is a YouTube first for this particular colour combo from Casio. It is a G-Shock, and I got it in the Black Friday pre-sale or sale that's gone on early off directgshock.co.uk, and I got it for a whopping £64.50 including VAT, which is an absolute steal. Now, I've had this watch before. I had it 4 or 5 years ago, but not in this colour combo, as I've just said. Wow. I've never seen a case like that before. That is an interesting case. I don't think you'll be able to guess which watch this is yet, though. It's the GD-400GB, meaning gold black, 1B2ER. Now, this is actually a very popular series. They're an all-digital military watch. And the price I paid is such a great price that I had to buy it for a brand new watch. I love the case. Wowzers. And it's a positive one in the gold black. That is really nice. With the gold Bullbars. If you've never seen Bullbars on a watch before, they're obviously a military-esque style. This watch has a great dial. I've had it in the negatives and I knew it was good, but even in the positive, obviously it's even better. Obviously you've got that kind of goldy yellow sand against the black. It just looks fantastic. It's not a sensor model. It's a super light model. I think it's about 80 grams, 78 grams nominal it is on Casio's website. Rubber band is really nice. It's super supple. I've had it before, so I know all about it. It's not a twin tang design, though. I wish it was twin tang. It is only single tang with a stainless steel buckle. This watch, I'll put it on my wrist. It's not a multi-band or solar model. It is obviously one of the cheaper G-Shocks, but it's just a great beater. Taking it to the gym, knocking it around. Obviously, that bull bar will only be PVD, so you'll have to be careful scratching it because I'm guessing it'll show marks pretty easily if you smack it. Let's put it on the wrist. Wow. That looks pretty awesome. I wish the band, yeah, that's what I remember. I wish the band was a little bit longer, in my opinion. I think it should be a little bit longer, but it's only a tiny criticism. You've got all the standard features of G-Shock, 200 meter water resist, alarm, light. It does auto light as well, where if you turn it on, a flick of the wrist at night time, well, it will turn on the light with the movement of the wrist. I never keep it on, though. It is a battery model, so it'll wear the battery down quicker if you do that. The dial is super legible. Nice viewing angles there. It's not distorting easily. Really clear dial, which is great. It has that black gold for extra pizzazz. I just wish the band was a little bit longer, because obviously I've got big wrists, but it's totally fine. It is an interesting, it feels, the way I would describe it, it feels more like rubber. Well, it's plastic, but it feels more on the rubbery end than a straight polymer plastic. That's the way I would describe that band. And I just love the look of it. Basically, that's why I've picked it up again. I had them in the negatives, and the negatives were not super easy to read, so that's why I thought, you know what, I'll pick it up in this black gold in the Black Friday deal. The other thing I'll say is that you can get this in a you can get it in loads of different colours, but you can get it in like a standard grey positive with black and blue blue markings, and it is absolutely stunning. But this I think has extra pizzazz because it has the gold on it. So yeah, so the series has been out for quite a number of years now. I sold my last two references that I had within this series, but I just had to pick it up because of the price and the looks of this thing. Obviously, it's got a stainless steel case back. I will get you a full review on there. The band should be an extra 0.5 centimetre to 1 centimetre, in my opinion. But yeah, that's only a small criticism. Excellent display, beautiful viewing angles, really nice, crisp display. And the battery, from what I remember, even though it was only a 2-year battery quoted, I think I got 4 years out of them at least, because I don't think I ever replaced them, and I only sold them a couple of years ago. So yeah, I bought them probably about 5 or 6 years ago, and I only sold it last year, so I got quite a number of years out of it. Obviously year mileage may vary. So yeah, I thought I'd show you this. It's been Dave. Have a great week. Cheers.